Meet Marni. Her husband is a small indigenous rice farmer in Nagaland, India. Besides rice, they also grow some vegetables, which she takes to the market and sells. With a land half the size of this auditorium, they just make enough money to sustain their daily life. But then one day, tragedy strikes. Their entire crop fails. With no insurance and no other source of income, they don't know what to do, and their life is in a standstill. And that is when Marni decides that she's going to be an entrepreneur. How are entrepreneurs born is a question that has baffled many minds. Entrepreneurship is often seen as this black box with many factors, known and unknown, that lead to its development. And one of those crucial factors is entrepreneurial self-efficacy, or ESE. ESE, in simple terms, is the confidence an entrepreneur has in the ability to perform. And I wanted to know how people like Marni, with limited resources, develop this ESE. So what did I do? I traveled half the way around the globe to the small little state in northeast India called Nagaland. And I interviewed and surveyed the entrepreneurs in a tribal farming community. Through months of research, I was able to develop this framework with 9 factors that help to develop ESE in these communities. This is going to be used both for research and practice. But one of the surprising findings of my study was that entrepreneurs are not self-made. In Western countries, we often look at an entrepreneur as an individual. But in these collectivist tribal communities, an entrepreneur is a product of the family, the community, and also some organizations. In Marni's case, she went to a training at a farmers' training institute. And then with the support of a local church and a community, she started a small poultry farm with 200+ chicken. For the first time now, money is coming into her own hands and not her husband's. She feels empowered. And she's also a role model for people like her in her village. When you support the development of a confident entrepreneur like Marni, you just don't develop the livelihood of small farmers, but we also strengthen the food production system for our future. Thank you.